Hello friends, a great warm welcome to you all guys. Today how you know that we are going to discuss and talk about detailed review of Poco M3 phone, which is a brand new and exclusive phone in the upcoming market. So let's start without wasting any time. Poco has finally launched its new affordable phone which is in M series, Poco M3, which comes with a unique design pattern. Let's start with display. Now display comes with a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display which is LCD display, and 19.5:9 is aspect ratio and 90.34% is screen to body ratio, which is good. Screen protection comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass 3, and display camera is in the drop notch, and it comes with a selfie camera is a 8 megapixel with f/2.05 aperture. And let's talk about camera architecture. Camera architecture, a triple camera with a squarish length, and we also get a small LED light. And the camera feature get us 48 megapixel main camera with f/1.79 aperture plus 2 megapixel micro lens plus 2 megapixel depth sensor. Let's talk about its performance. Performance comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset, which is really good in the budget phone, and its Adreno GPU is 610. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB RAM, which RAM type is LPDDR4X RAM, and it provides 64GB or 128GB ROM, and we can expandable up to 512GB with micro SD card dedicated slot. And when it comes with the software, it runs with the Android 10 and MIUI 12 software. The device is packed with a massive 6000 mAh battery capacity, and which is supported with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, this smartphone also features with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and also it features with a high-res audio technology. Talk about some connectivity. The connectivity comes with a 4G Vault and Wi-Fi Duo, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm jack, IR blaster, and Type-C port. Let's take some look in the physical measurement. 162.3 is millimeter height and 77.3 is millimeter downward. Thickness level is 9.6. Let's look at weight. 198 gram is the weight of this phone. Now let's talk about its price and availability rates. The Poco M3 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM is priced in $149 in US. In Indian INR is 11,000. While the 4GB RAM and 128GB ROM is priced at $169 and 12,500 Indian rupees. And the colors are Poco Yellow, Poco Blue, and Poco Black. Then friends, if you want to buy this phone, the phone is available in the 8th of December in Flipkart. The phone is enriched with every facility and every single specification and features, so you can buy if you want this phone.